folks, I'm going to tell you 5 quick facts about black bull markets. Now, did you know, number 1, they're New Zealand FMA regulated. Number 2, did you know they have a copy trading service where you can either be a signal provider or copy signals? And number 3, did you know they've got over 26,000 tradable assets, including Forex, crypto, stocks, indices, and even more? And number 4, did you know they offer 500 to 1 leverage? And number 5, if you open up an account today and trade 1 lot a month, they're going to give you TradingView Pro for free. Check them out, Black Bull Markets.
Yo, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you are in the world. We are back, another live session here, trading the Blue Guardian 100K challenge. All right. How's everybody doing? How was everybody's weekend? Oh, wow, that's not what I was trying to do. All right. Okay, so I already marked up gold before I went live. I'm going to show you guys what is weekly. It's reached my sell zone, right? On the daily, this is the area where I was looking for sales. It's reached up into that. Now, that doesn't mean, oh, it's there, sell it, right? Like, it just means that now I can start looking for that potential reversal, that potential move to the downside, right? If you look at the previous trading day candle, and we're talking about gold here, okay? So you see the wick that came into the zone. It came into the zone and then it rejected down. So it reached up in there and it started pushing it down, which is a good sign. That's what we want to see. Now we have the opening of this candle, no wick to the downside on this daily candle, and it's just been pushing up, right? So really, I would like to see the liquidity being taken from the previous day's high, and then I would like to see some kind of rejection, maybe starting to develop that bottom wick. But where we stand right now is, we're bullish, right? We've been moving up. Now we may have that retracement that we can capitalize on today, but that doesn't mean the long term is going to turn around right here, right? We would need to see some kind of like wick rejection, maybe doji, indication of price exhaustion, indication of potential reversal, and then the confirmation of that reversal, right? So that's what I would be looking for. But like I said, that's more of a long-term type of play. For today, I think we have an opportunity to maybe push up just a tad bit higher, take out previous day's high, which was previous day's high was 1926,100, and then come and create the bottom wick that we haven't created just yet, right? And maybe that even happens during New York session, because we have 14, like, the beginning of New York session where it turns around. So maybe for this session, it's a push up before it comes down, right? Either way, we're gonna capitalize. So let's pull up the news real quick. See what we got going on for the news. We got AUD news at 2:40 a.m. USD news at 8 a.m. USD news at 9 a.m. AUD news at 8:30 p.m. All right, so we have some news to consider here at New York session when we trade our New York session, and then just 240 AUD news. Got to be aware of that. So after London Open. I kept trying to go to sleep and I couldn't today. I'm a little tired. But we in here. We in here getting it regardless. Oh fuck. Drop my damn cap. Pablo, give me that. Oh. All right. I haven't even really taken a look at GJ, but we can take a look at it now. Excuse me, you guys want to trade GJ? Is CJ in here? Where's CJ at? Hey, what are you doing? See, I knew you were gonna get the cat. Why didn't you get it when I asked for it? Look at you. Trying to chew on this. You'll choke on this, bro. Go play with your toys. Anybody trading GJ? Is there like? Can you guys hear me? Okay. I'll make sure you guys. Yeah, that's my dog. You haven't seen my dog? It's Pablo Bankz. Pablo Bankz. That's his name. Let's look at GJ. See what she's doing today. Sometimes she's pushing back up again, man. Like, honestly, this. What is this right here? No, not enough. Maybe down here. Yeah, I talk to my dog like a person, man. I feel like he understands me, bro. Like, we spend a lot of time together, so it's because I took a drink of my water and the cap fell off, and Pablo likes to be underneath the desk and stuff, and it fell off down there and it rolled down, and I was like, it was like way back there. So I said, Pablo, can you hand me that? Because I was like, I'm sure he's gonna try to get it, but he didn't. And I was like, oh, okay, never mind. And as soon as I turn my back, he grabs it and then jumps on the couch. And I'm like, I knew you were gonna fucking grab it, like, and I had to grab it from him because it's small. Like he'll choke on it. He likes to chew on things, and he has a ton of freaking toys, and he likes to chew on things he's not supposed to. too short. We need more. We need more. We need more. $14 pips. Damn. This honestly looks fucking ugly. It's just like slowly been moving up, and it has like very little like room for this is probably the best range. 15 pip range. Still not that great. Yeah. Yeah, this is pretty fucking ugly. At least to the downside, it's hella ugly. To the upside, definitely a nice opportunity right here. $16 pips right here. It's still not. Honestly, just to like avoid all of this, so I have to go down here. Because here, it's not enough. Here, I doubt this is enough. No, 17 pips. Damn, this thing's like. This is all choppy, ugly. This is just ugly. I don't think I even want to trade GJ. Unless we see some other kind of market structure being formed, I'm not going to trade GJ. Just not anything good. What does it look on the higher time frame? Look at that. Pulled out of this range here. Came back, retested it. And she looks like she's going to keep going up. Yeah, so maybe, I mean, if we get a break above here, we have an opportunity. And maybe we can even see it like on a shorter time frame. This is above here is the 15-minute breakout, and we have room to run to the upside. But right now, what we're seeing is just movement to the downside. So we'll watch this. I don't see an opportunity to the downside, but possibly to the upside. And gold. And keep in mind, guys, it's the end of the month. Markets tend to be a little crappy. So let's just be patient. See what we see. Oh. I'm always going to use my breakout strategy, guys, on the 15-minute, unless I see some kind of market structure on the 5-minute, like kind of confirming for me to get in beforehand or take a position, you know. And usually when I go down on the 5-minute, it's a simple break and a retest. It's not anything special. Keeping it simple. What? I don't know what you mean by trade your gold as well. Yeah, GJ looks pretty horrible. Like I said, I think the only opportunity is probably to the upside, but market structure just doesn't look good to me. Gold doesn't look too bad. This is probably a nice little pullback here. I want to see if she's gonna break highs or if she's gonna come back down. Like I said, on the daily, what I would like to see is liquidity come and take the highs. I mean, that's where it's kind of headed right now anyways. Take the highs out before it comes down to create the lows. And the highs are previous day 1926 100. So that happens to be just like right here. It's not far away. Little patience, little patience. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, I do like on my long term setup here, we're in a sell zone for gold. But like I said, doesn't mean it's gonna start selling off right this instant, right? We could still probably push up some more. I want to see it actually turn around. We may even come up and test this trend line, right? Test this trend line like this before she comes down. And this is a higher time frame trend line. It's coming from up there. So, and she's pushing down right now. Let's see what she does. She's just ranging right here now. Oh my gosh. Bro, I'm like so tired. It's not even funny. So tired. It's funny, man. Oh. She breaks right here. That would be a close 1-to-1. But it would have to close like right on the line. So might not be worth it. We got about 4 minutes left on this candle. Let's just see what happens. We'll watch on this. Give me 1 second, guys. She's pulling back. This could just be... What time is it? 1:28. I want to see this 5 minutes, see if it reverses from here. We had news at 2:40 for the Australian dollar. Oh, man. Allergies are like... Jesus. Look at that. On the 5 minute. Go doji candle. Look at her go. Look at her go. I just don't feel confident trying to take buys right here with this. If this closes like bullish engulfing, just because it's like in a range here. And this high failed to break this past high. There's the low. It's kind of just ping ponging off here. Oh my goodness. I'm super tired. If it breaks, it's a breakout. This wouldn't be a bad setup. Oh, we got some new jams. I don't know what that's supposed to be, but
I feel like I'm losing my
What was the first thing you bought when you started getting profitable off trading? Um, I don't know. See, I was already making money before trading. Like I had my businesses, so it wasn't like I was broke and trading is what made me money. you know. I mean, I know I remember like what I would like to use my money for, or like when the profits from my trading is like taking vacations, taking my family on vacations. It's kind of, I used to like take my family on vacation and then like make the money that I was spending, like make it back in vacation. Like it was kind of like a game I would play. Just game between myself and the markets and the charts. Bro, you guys pick a side, man. So some of you guys like I'm trying to yeah, I'd love to fly first class one day. Yeah, I think that's I remember when the first time I flew first class, like I just felt like I was like, I can't fly no other class, man. Like it gives you the motivation to like want to continue to prosper, like be able to make enough money or earn enough money to be able to do those things, because it's different, like there's a video I saw of Steve Harvey, and he says I encourage everybody to fly first class just because it'll show you, like give you a taste of a different life, and then you'll just work harder to get there, and I think that's true as hell, because like for me, like I this is the kind of stuff that I pay for. It's like conveniences, anything that like I can pay for that I don't have to like give up some of my time to do, I'm all down for, like pay for someone to clean my house, cook my food, do my laundry, like wash my cars, you know what I'm saying? Like all of those things, I could easily do them, but the same amount of time it'll take me to do those things compared to like how much money I could make in that same amount of time, like it's worth it more for me to make the money and then just pay somebody to do it and not take up my time. I have he's kind of like a mentor to me, and he's a venture capitalist out of Texas, and we have a call like twice a month. And he taught me that one of the things he taught me was, he says most people, they stay broke because they've never known what it is to have money. So when they get money, they're either going to completely mismanage it and just spend it incorrectly, or they're going to be the type that feels like it's not going to come back to them again, or they're not going to have this opportunity to have money again. So they decide to save it, right? Like they save and hoard their money. But money isn't as valuable as time. So save your time, spend the money, essentially is what you should take from that. And I take that to heart. Like I delegate and hire out for everything, much rather do that than spend my time, because time, whether you have the perspective of it or not, Time is of the highest value commodity. When you spend it, you don't get it back, and you don't know how much of it you get. I can spend $1,000 and turn around and make it back, but if I spend a day doing something, an hour, whatever, it's spent. I can't get that hour back. I can't get that day back. And if God forbid tomorrow I don't make it out or don't wake up the next day, that's it. That's all she wrote. So I value my time a lot more. A lot more. I think that's super important. But yeah, I think like those little things like that gives you a different perspective, and you start treating your dollars and cents a little differently. She's like slowing down right here and pulling up. She might break here. We got about 2 minutes left on this candle. We got about 48 seconds here. This is about a 12 pip stop. That's kind of tight though. Let's see where this closes. 20 seconds. I'm just pulling up again. Oh. Oh shit. That's not what I want to do. I'm just trying to calculate my risk and I accidentally put 15%. That would have been crazy. All right. I didn't get into this. It closed right on the line, so still not what I want to see. And even if it comes down, then I'll probably look for like a re-entry and a pullback. Off the 30-minute candles, no. I'm doing a 0.25% risk. Mm. She's breaking the lows. Oof. Man, honestly, gold is ranging. GJ looks like shit. I think gold is coming down here, just spiking down, taking liquidity from under here. I don't think she's ready to come all the way down just yet. I know I'm going to be looking for sells this week in here in the zone, but is it ready now? I don't think so. GJ, look, she fucking melted. Jesus. That's good though. That way clear all this ugliness. Like I wouldn't take sales if it broke and it's like a long rejection candle, and like if it's like a doji, I wouldn't take the sales, right? So that's one thing that we have to pay attention to here. Just coming back into this area. I want to see if she gonna take a bounce here or not. Oh god, man, I got no sleep today, guys. I'm tired, so this doesn't mean sell. It's just looking at numbers. Looking at numbers. On the challenge, yeah. Yeah, since you guys are still down 4.7%. Not even in the positive. I think I'm gonna get ready for a buy here, guys. Just have a feeling this thing is gonna. Just wait for confirmation on the candles. Obviously, if she keeps melting, then it's invalid, but let's wait. We got London Open. We got London Open happening. She's starting to push up a bit. Still melting. How long have I been trading for? Been trading for since 2014. Almost 10 years. Like 9 years. Nine years on same strategy? No, it's been different strategies and learning my way. I mean, it hasn't been exactly the same. Oof, she's melted. Bro types in all caps makes me feel like you're yelling at me. Yeah, I think it took me like the first 2 years to figure out that I needed to take it seriously. um, because it was, at first it was just like, clicking buttons. Like I didn't have any risk management. I didn't have a plan, a strategy, a trading plan. I trade anything and everything. And thoughts on NZD-JPY? I don't trade NZD-JPY, bro. Over the years, have you added different things to your strategy? It's not about adding, but more about subtracting. When I started out, I started out with learning the same things I think everyone does, support and resistance, Fibonacci's, MACDs, RSIs, SMAs, EMAs, moving averages, all that good stuff. And I used to use indicators, but it took me to a place of uncertainty. I got to a point where I had way too many indicators because I felt that I needed more confirmations. The more confirmations, the higher the percentage or the probability of winning the trade. So for me, the more indicators that I would add on, I felt like it was going to give me an edge. And I got to a point where I couldn't even, see the candlesticks on the chart. So the indicators, they start contradicting each other, like one will say it's confirming for buy and one was confirming for sell, and it literally froze me up as a trader. I got to a point where I couldn't take a trade. I didn't feel confident. I didn't know what to do, and the indicators that were supposed to give me the confirmation and the confidence they were contradicting each other, and so I froze and I couldn't pull the trigger on taking a buy or taking sells, and that's when I took off indicators and I stopped using that and started really focusing on price action, the way just price moves throughout the day, throughout the month, throughout the week, throughout different sessions, patterns, reading the candlesticks, the volume of the body, the wicks, all of that good stuff for me is, I think, what saved me, what kept me in it, because otherwise, I don't know how I would have been able to turn it around, Even if we would have gone forward with the breakout strategy on this, guys, it would have been getting in right here, right? The close of the candle, break of this line right here. This candle, we would have waited for the candle to close. It would have closed right there. That would have been the break. We would have put our stops above here, above the wick, and it would have been in profit right now. But I feel like the risk to reward here to the first, well, I mean, it would have been 1.3, would have been good enough. But we're talking about 12 pips. So spreads and broker variances on the price might have affected us. I'm not in this. I was just trying to explain that. And then we got the news coming up here in like 30 minutes. 32 minutes. Yeah, so long term on a higher time frame, we're reaching into our sell zones for gold. But like I said earlier, I don't think this doesn't mean that in this area it's going to completely just melt. Right? Like we could come up, test the top of this, come up, test the trend line. We want to see price start to tell us that it is turning around. And once we see that, then we find our entry and then just write it down. But like I said, this is on a higher time frame. Dang, she just melted all the way. She's going all the way to TP1. Might have missed our move. I trade gold, GJ, and US 30 for the most part. I have a watch list that I look for like higher time frame patterns for my swing trades. But I don't trade that during London, and I don't trade that as a scalp. Those trades, I send them out to VIP as they come up, you know. So, which actually I've been thinking about adding the swing trades to the challenge account, because I feel like the swing trades will net us the return that we're looking for. I'm tired as hell. Oh. Are you in the USA? Yeah. Damn, look at that. Put a bottom wick on that. We got about 2 minutes and 50 seconds on this candle. We might be jumping in for buys. I like this little rejection doji candle here. Looking for that bullish engulfing. Might ride this baby up. Let's see. Damn. Kind of a big candle. We got about 1 minute and 40 seconds, guys. Go ahead and calculate your risk. Calculate your risk. About a 14. I would go ahead and put it as a 15 pip stop. Got a minute left. Got a minute left, so make sure you're getting ready for this. My lot size for a 15 pip stop is going to be a 1.59. Risking a quarter percent. About 20 seconds here. Ten seconds, guys. All right, I'm going to go ahead and take a buy. T1 will be right there. Team 2431. Oh, that's not it. 360. What's this? We're in this trade, guys. We're in a buy. We're in a buy on gold. Remember, guys, you need to be paying attention to the candles and where they are in relation to your own broker and pricing, because there are variances, small, subtle variances. 1, 2, 4, focus level. Yeah, she looks nice. I like the price action. I like the movement. I want to see some more solid volume coming in. Push it up. I'm hungry. Ten lots in, stop loss set, just gonna let it ride, go to sleep and see if it's a win or loss tomorrow. Or should set your TPs at TP1, baby, because we about to win it. We about to take this one home, baby. We want to hear the horns. Ooh, ooh, here she comes, baby. Wake up, look alive, people, look alive. Look alive. She's like 2 pips away, 2.5 pips away from TP1. Love the volume. Looking lovely. Come on, baby. Pump up, pump up. There we go. There we go. Just 2 pips away. Come on now. Oh, excuse me. Dude, I got no sleep last night. Running on fumes here. Pulling out these wins. Let's get back on the win column. Get a winning streak going. This will be our first one of the week. This will be the first of the week. Come on, baby. Push, push, push. Ooh, almost there. She's like a pip away. Come on, baby. Half a pip. Give it to me. Don't play with me. There we go. That's a win, ladies and gentlemen. There's the horns. On time for the people in the back. Yes, sir. All right, guys. Move your stops to break even. And I'm going to go ahead and close 80% of this. So 1.59 lots times 80% 1.27. I'm going to go ahead and close 1.27. Man, I should have took this on my personal account, but I'm going to close 1.27. Closed. And the rest, we just let it ride. Let it ride. So that's a win, guys. That's a win. Nobody should lose on this trade. I mean, she is 100% a win. Yep. So now we're down to 4.5. Crawling our way back. Crawling our way back. Good job. Appreciate it. What are your TP2 and 3 based on? It's just a multiplier TP1. Yeah, exactly. It's 15 pips, 15 pips, 15 pips. That's all it is. Look at this. I would like to start the week off on W's. 1-0, baby, for the week. 1-0. Who's going to join me for New York? Oh, shit. I'm going to take a fat nap right now because I'm tired, so... Yo, where is CJ? Did he miss it? He missed today's trading session? You lacking, CJ. Lacking. Let's go. Did the same trade as you, but on GJ. Great reward. Nice. On GJ, you took this little buy or what? Same. Pull back here. Doji. Bullish engulfing. Nice little buy. Stops. I mean, that's a 2.6 risk to reward, baby. It don't get much better. For a scout, that's a win, baby. That's a win. The price on the right is fully color coded. Why? What do you mean? You're talking about like here? This? There's color coding on this whenever I set up like this markup or lines or any of that. The reason why you see multiple ones is because like I still have this marked up. I leave it marked up from all the past trades. So see like all of this stuff from last week. This is just for the challenge, for the challenge. Like I've been marking this up. This was I don't know, 2 weeks ago. Trades there, trades there, trades there. So like whenever you have these on the right, you're gonna have these color coding things. That makes sense. I just don't want to delete them because I do the recap videos for TRADINGNUT, and I need to go back to look at them on there so I can do the video. Oh, sorry guys. You know, I don't check the chat over here on my on my stream because I'm on TRADINGNUT, but let's see if you guys yes sir, I'll be live for New York. Yeah. Hey Bankz, how can I get in contact with you? You can hit me up on Instagram, man. Hit me up on Instagram. Your stream is so far behind. Yeah, if you're watching the stream on my channel, it's gonna be even further behind, because the thing is, like the platform I'm using for Trading Nuts, it's going through like his platform and then sending it over. So you're probably better off if you're not in my VIP. Like, I send out the Zoom for my VIP, so they see it on the Zoom. I would suggest going to Trading Nuts channel, because his channel is not as delayed as mine, right? Hopefully that makes sense. What do you think of EU? I think EU is going to push down a little bit more before going up. I'm actually waiting on a setup for that. GJ pushing up, joining from New York, nice. Can I follow you for passing my own challenge? 100%. Yeah, that's the whole point of this, is for you guys to follow along. Obviously, I mean, I don't guarantee we're gonna pass the challenge, but that's the whole point. I'm doing this to pass it. I'm not taking the challenge to fail it. But yeah, I've done challenges in the past. I don't trade. I'm not a funded trader. I don't trade prop firm money. I trade my own money. When I got started trading, that wasn't a thing, you know. So I built my account like myself. It's a thing now, and I've done challenges in the past. I used to have a challenge passing service where I was passing people's challenges, and I've done them for like FTMO, my Forex funds, and all kinds of stuff. But I wanted to do one of these live for everybody, just because I think it would be unique to follow along and help a lot of people, you know, get a funded account. So that's why we're here, and we're pushing forward. We are down like 4% right now. So if you don't have a challenge account right now, you can definitely get one and jump in with us and follow along. Like you'll probably be in a better position because you won't be down 4% like I am. But that's kind of because I'm down 4% is why we lowered our risk to 0.25%, and you know, we make adjustments as we go to account for that, right? So and I think it's like, that's what's super important, is like being able to see this stuff live, right? Because most people just consume a 30-second video on social media, and somebody's like, you know, making all this money, or, you know, passing challenges, or, you know, getting these payouts and stuff, and like you don't see the in between, you know, like the work that it takes to get there, and the ups and downs. Like you just see the good, right? when everything's, you know, rainbows and sunshine. But sometimes you have to work through times where the market ain't playing your way, and you take L's, and you got to come back from that and keep your head and stay focused and stick to your plan. And I think that, you know, we've been doing this already for, how long has this challenge thing been going? 70 days. We've been at it for 70 days since we got it, and I think that's probably one of the greatest things that anyone can take from this, is witnessing what it actually takes, you know? How much profits have you made for the challenge already? I mean, I'm down 4% right now. We're not even in the positive. What strategy are you using? I'm using my own personal strategy. ICT. I don't trade ICT. I'm not even knowledgeable in ICT. I don't know what that is. Like, I know it's some kind of form of trading. Because I've seen a bunch of videos on it and a bunch of you guys come in here asking about it, but I couldn't begin to tell you what that is and how it works, to be honest. What is your Insta handle? It's on the screen right there where it says YouTube and Instagram. Lord Bankz with the ZFX. That is my Instagram. You can jump in there and find me. That's funny. Yeah, VIP is not open, guys. I'm getting like messages of people wanting to join VIP. It's I don't have it open. Like, I'm sorry, it's just not open right now. But I mean, as soon as I open it, I'll let you guys know. But it has been open for a while. Right now, the only people in VIP are the people that got lifetime. I'm gonna trade with them, but. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I'm switching to a new platform, and that's when I'll open up a VIP again, and that's why I haven't opened it, because I'm moving to a new platform, and I don't want to. It's just a logistical nightmare, like trying to deal with that. So I let everyone's membership run out, and just kept the lifetime people, and I'm gonna switch them over, and then. Once I get that switched over, then I'll open it back up for people to join. But no, my stop loss was 15 pips away. How do you manage to trade London and wake up for New York session? Well, it's like 5 hours of sleep, really, because I'll go to bed right now. Like, usually my schedule is I get up at 12, like my day starts at 12. So then I trade London, and then if I'm tired, like I'm tired right now because I didn't get no sleep, then I'll take a nap, and then I'll get up for New York. But usually I'll sleep before, like I'll go to bed like at 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and then get up at midnight, and then start my day. Usually with 5 hours of sleep, I'm good. But today, like I was trying to sleep, and I don't know, I couldn't fall asleep. So I'm gonna take a nap right now. So in like maybe the next 10 minutes or so, I'll take a nap, and I don't get on to New York till 8, which is from 3 to 5, or 3 to 8 is 5 hours. Like a 5-hour nap, that's not bad. And then I'll trade New York, and then if I'm still tired after New York, like I'll take another nap. I got nothing else to do but trade, baby. Oh, let me go check over here. ICT means I curse trading. Yeah. I know there's some wild ways that people trade. Right now, my stops are set to break even, and my take profit is set at TP3. That's where I have it. At TP2, I'll take another partial. If not, close the whole thing. I mean, I'll probably close half of what I have remaining, which is I have remaining 0.32. If it doesn't come and break even. That's funny. You guys are wild. Yeah, so nobody should be losing anything on this trade. This was a win. W. Good job. Any suggestions? What do you mean? Suggestions of what? She's gonna break even on me. She might. And that's okay too. It happens. Technical analysis on what? What are you talking about? We already won this trade, bro. There's nothing else to analyze. We did our analysis, we had our setup, we waited for an entry, we got our confirmation, we entered, took the trade, hit TP1, took partials. Profits taken. W. What's today? The 29th? I just got closed out at break even. We're done. I'm not going to take a second trade. There's no second chance here. We already won. So we'll just keep it moving. And I'll be on for New York with VIP. If you're in my VIP, I'll see you then. If not, I'll see you guys for London. Much love, much love. Peace.